Hello Bengaluru, this is Sumant, your property expert from User Umbrella, showing you the properties in and around Bangalore. So, the property name is Century Ethos. So, why wait? Let me show you the model unit, which is a 3 BHK with 3 toilets and a powder room and a maid's room. The property welcomes you with a wide foyer area, and you have your powder room at your left. This spacious foyer area leads to your living area. Right next to your dining area, you have your bar counter. Your kitchen, which has a separate wet and a dry kitchen. You get your utility in your kitchen itself. You get a spacious bedroom which has a balcony. This balcony overlooks to the settlements in Sahakar Nagar and International Airport Road. You get your walk-in closet which leads to your bathroom. The secondary bedroom comes with an attached bathroom and wooden flooring. Let me show you the kids' room. Your kids' room being quite spacious, get an attached bathroom too. This 3 BHK unit gets you an additional room which can be used as a maid's room, which has again an attached washroom to it. How did you feel the property? So please like and share the video. For more updates, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon below. For more information about the property, please DM us. Thank you.